Ever wondered what would happen if a fire, theft, or storm wiped out your business overnight? Would you be able to bounce back? That's where commercial property insurance comes in, your safety net when disaster strikes your business property. Check out the link in the description box below. So, what exactly does commercial property insurance cover? Let's break it down. At its core, it protects your physical assets, think buildings, furniture, equipment, inventory, and even signage. If there's damage due to fire, vandalism, storms, or theft, your insurance helps cover the repair or replacement costs. Got a leased space? No worries, it can cover improvements you've made, like flooring or shelving. Using expensive computers or machinery? Yep, those are covered too. Some policies also include coverage for lost income if your business has to shut down temporarily after a covered event. That's a big help when bills don't stop but business does. But, heads up! It doesn't cover flooding, earthquakes, or wear and tear. For those, you'll need additional policies or endorsements. Commercial property insurance isn't just about buildings, it's about protecting the backbone of your business. If you rely on a physical space or equipment to keep things running, this coverage is a must. Want peace of mind? Start with protecting what you've built. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.